see all my customers.
Get to see all the customers, yay! So what's your favorite part about Fall Fest?
All the little people.
All the little people?
Yes.
What's your favorite thing about Fall Fest?
Ooh, how excited the kids and family are to be here. Just like, yeah.
What's your favorite part about Fall Fest?
Fall Fest? Probably people.
People?
Yeah, I get to see so much cool stuff out here.
Kelly, what's your favorite thing about Fall Fest?
Just how excited everybody gets. It's just a happy time for all. Everybody's excited to be here.
Fall Fest for me is exciting in the parking lot because you get to meet everyone that comes to Greenstreet Gardens. It's always a lot of fun.
Karen, why do you love Fall
I
Fest?
love Fall Fest because families are here together and happy.
Good.
Great to see families together and happy.
What's your favorite part about Fall Fest?
Everybody coming in.
What is your favorite part about Fall Fest?
All the people. All the people.
Maggie, why do you come to Fall Fest?
Fall Fest because I do. I love the little people.
Love the little people.
The little people.
They make
It's watching the families, especially generations, come here and make awesome memories with their people. That's my favorite
Go
thing.
for it. My favorite part of the Fall Fest is seeing everybody be so happy to be here.
Can you tell how much we love seeing our customers at Fall Fest? We guarantee that everyone will go home with a smile after taking a ride on the hayride, getting lost in the corn maze, and experiencing the magic of Fall Fest, including our jumping pillow, underground slide, our woodlands, pumpkin patch, and so much more. We are open Saturday and Sunday from 10:30 to 5 until the end of October. Tickets are available online or at the door. Happy fall, y'all!